Hello everyone, this is a 52-inch Southern Classic ceiling fan that I picked up off of OfferUp, I believe, in Seguin. And I think I paid $35 for it, which is more than I would usually like to pay for a ceiling fan, but those who know me know that I just love this style, so I paid it. It's a pretty neat fan. 6 blades, obviously, 5 lights. When I bought it, it had an 18-inch down rod on it. The blades are reversible from high gloss redwood to high gloss white. And there are some things about this fan that lead me to believe it's possible that it might have been manufactured by the same factory that makes Heritage fans, but it's definitely better quality than Heritage. So there's that. It just seems like it has the same kind of screws and whatnot. I don't know, could be wrong. Light kit works great, very bright. Fan is 3 speeds reversible. Here's high. Actually stirs up a decent breeze. It's medium. There's low. And off. Reverse. That's medium. Low. And off. And that's it for that. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.